Hello, this is Sayyid Muhammad Abdul Alim and I am going to show you TRSS plug which I used on my broken headphone of Sony. So under Sony you have white wire, the blue and the golden and green, gold and green wire. So the blue will come under the second slot and the golden green and what is that golden green and golden green will come in the first slot here itself, here first of this, and the second one is the blue, and last and the final one is the white, which is known as grounding. So wire is this white wire is mingled with a separate golden wire which is not in a casing. So white wire and golden wire are mixed and welded on the first slot. Second slot is the blue slot and the last one is the uh, golden green, and the another one is the black one which is used for the mic, which is to be placed on the top here itself. Thanks for watching it.